Hi, today in front of INFINIX Note 12 2023 and I'll show you how to customize always on display option on this device. So to do that, we should first open the settings and then tap to the display and brightness. Then click to always on display and to change the time of the AoD, click to more styles. Here we could switch the simple clock to another one just by tap to apply. It says successful. Now let's just check it. As you can see, this is the new clock style. Also, we could use the layered space, the time files, the selfie sticker. We could use our own picture from the gallery or from Google Photos, and to use the another just time. For example, let's use one from this one, the live one. Just tap to apply it. It said successfully, so let's just lock the device and we can see that we just successfully changed the AoD style. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.